The number line of whole numbers. The whole numbers can be represented on a straight line. It's called a number line. Let us draw a straight line here. We put the initial value as 0 and now increase 1 by 1. 1, that is 2. Those are the points in a equal distance. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and at the end of the line I give an arrow mark to indicate that it will go far away from here, so we can count forever. Okay, so initial value is 0. The distance between these points are equal and uniform, and single distance, that means the distance between 0 to 1 is called the unit distance. That is called the unit distance. Now, what is the benefit of number line? The benefit is that it is the visual description of whole numbers. Okay, and it is very easy to visualize the whole numbers through a number line system, and we can compare the whole numbers, which one is the larger and what is the predecessor value and other properties as well. So let us discuss those properties, simple properties, one by one. The first property is that 0 is the smallest whole number. It is true. That is why 0 is the initial value. That is the smallest whole number. The next one is called, there is no any larger value, no larger whole number or highest value. So that is, since we have used an arrow mark here, it indicates that there is no any larger value or maximum value. We can count forever. We can go that way up to infinity. Next one is, in case of successor, you see each whole number have one and only one successor value. Even 0 has also successor. What is the successor value of 0? It is 1. We have to add 1 only to that value. We will get the successor value. And what is the successor value of 3? It becomes 4. At the same time, each whole number has one and only one predecessor except 0. 0 has no any predecessor. We can't move that way. So 0 has no any predecessor, but all the whole numbers other than 0 has one predecessor. What is the predecessor value of 7? Tell me. Okay, 6. It is 6. We have to subtract 1 from 7. What is the predecessor value of 10? 9. So that way we can visualize it. And we can also compare the values also. The right side whole numbers is always greater than the left one. Let us take one example here. 6 and 10. Which one is the larger? 10 is right of 6. That is why 10 is larger than 6. So in this way we can visualize the properties of whole numbers using a number line system. That is the benefit of number line. Now, is there any practical day-to-day life uses of number line in our case? Yes, we have one example called, what is it? Just simply I draw it. That is called ruler or scale. So ruler or scale is the basic example of number line in our day-to-day life uses. So it is used to measure the length of something. Now, to describe about the arithmetic operations using our number line system. So first we take the addition of two whole numbers. Let us take 4 and 3, two whole numbers, to get the summation value. How we can represent, or graphically or pictorially we represent the summation. First take the first value, that is 4. So we have to take a jump from 0 to 4. We have to move from 0 to 4. Then we have to move another 3 unit distances consequently. That means that 1, 2, 3. The same direction since it is an addition. So finally we reach at 7. So that is the result of 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now you can pause the video and take another example to find out the summation of two whole numbers using the number line. Next, take the subtraction. Let us discuss about subtraction. Subtraction of two whole numbers. One is suppose 7, next one is suppose 5. So the difference is that here before the digit 5, a minus sign is here. Let us see, take the first value 7 and move from 0 to 7 in our first step. Okay. Now in earlier case we move forward direction, but since it is the minus symbol is here, we have to subtract something from 7. We have to move in a backward direction right now. How much? How much units? 5 units. So we have to move that direction 5 units. So ultimately we reach at 2. The answer will be 2. So that is the graphical representation of subtraction using a number line system. Next one is the multiplication. What happens in case of multiplication? How can we represent it? Let us take two values, that is 4, okay, 3 times 4 equal to how much? 12. We know the value 12. Okay, let us find out using the number line. You see, here we have to take 3 jumps, but in a single jump we have to take 4 in single unit distances as a single unit. So that is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. From 0 to 4 we have to take one jump, then take another 4 unit distances as a single unit. So up to 8 we have to move from 4 to 8 and from 8 to 12. So finally we reach at 12 in a 3 jumps. Okay, if we change the order, what will happen? Let us see. Now 4 times 3, the value will remain same 12, but the graphical representation will be changed a little bit. How? This time we have to take 4 jumps, and in a single jump we have to cross 3 unit distances. That means 1 unit distance, 2 unit distance, 3 unit distance. So from 0 to 3 first, next another 3 unit distance, that means 3 to 6, next 6 to 9, and finally 9 to 12. In this way we can move and finally reach at 12. So answer is 12. Those are the, for quick reminder, those are the graphical representation of number line of whole numbers. Whole numbers can be represented using a number line very easily and very conveniently.